In recent years, we've continued to see quite considerable year-on-year growth in the day hospital market to the tune of about 7%. And what we've seen is the number of day hospitals increase quite considerably to now over 350 in Australia. So that then begs the question as to what are the main drivers in this surge of activity. And I'm going to go through just four today. And the first one is COVID. Look, COVID certainly has something to do with it, but in my opinion, not all. What I think COVID has done is it's magnified that societal belief that you get sick if you stay in hospital, and you combine that with the stories of hospital complications and infections, and what you get is patient pressure to actually look at alternative models. Which then leads to the second point, which is patient choice. So the situation that we have now is about 1 in 4 privately insured Australians are receiving same-day medical procedures in a day hospital. So patients are choosing this form of care. The third one we see is the shift in treatments. And what we do know is that the main sorts of treatments that occur in a day hospital market, so we're talking here gastroenterology, ophthalmology, family planning, plastic surgery, oncology, all of those things are actually rising in their volumes in Australia. And this actually suits this model of care. And the fourth point is the payer models. So what we're seeing here is the PHIs, or the private health insurers, are actually quite supportive of these models. They appreciate the benefits, especially in relation to lower costs. So that then begs the question of, is this sustainable? Will we continue to see this rise in activity? And my personal opinion is yes, for all of the reasons I've listed above. And I think you combine that with a society that now sees themselves as more health literate than ever since the onset of COVID, as well as the things I mentioned about the rise in those medical treatments that are happening in this environment, as well as the progress of those treatments, anesthesia and lower invasive sorts of treatments, I think all support a continuing model for day hospitals. So continue to watch the rise of day hospitals in Australia.